another ship approaching, sir.
There's your gate to pass turn. Crossing MB Thomas, this is MB Sara, calling you over.
Yes, MB Sara, this is MB Thomas, replying, over.
Sir, you are supposed to be pass at my stern, over.
Yes, MB Sara, we are passing at your stern.
Okay sir, MB Thomas, thank you very much. Stand by, challenge 16 for monitoring, over. Calling MB Thomas, please come over.
Yes, MB Sara, come in.
MB Thomas, you are supposed to be passing at my stern. You are crossing my way. We already had a conversation that your intention is to pass at my stern, over.
MB Sara, MB Sara, MB Sara. Security, security, security. I have a steering failure, I have a steering failure. Security, security, security.
Hardport!
Hardport! Hardport, ready now, sir?
Midship!
Midship! Midship, ready now, sir?
Okay, be still and steady. I'm calling the captain.
Yes, third mate. What seems to be the problem?
We have an emergency situation. Please come up to the bridge immediately.
What seems to be the problem?
Captain, there is a cruising vessel that be passed at my stern, but they have steering failure.
Okay, what's their status?
They are now using stern propulsion.
Okay, stop the engine.
Stop the engine. Stop the engine, ready now, sir?
And full the stern.
Full the stern. Full the stern, ready now, sir?
Third mate, monitor the speed.
7 knot speed, sir, and decreasing, sir.
Okay, thank you. Third mate, monitor the speed.
3 knot speed, sir.
Brace for impact.
Brakes for impact!
Attention all crew. Attention all crew. Attention all crew. This is your captain speaking. I repeat, this is your captain speaking. We have a collision on board. I repeat, we have a collision on board. Collided with MV Thomas. Please proceed to the master station immediately.
Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is MB Sara. This is MB Sara. Call sign, position latitude 10 degrees 08144. North longitude 123 degrees 4305 is at the vicinity of San Pedro, Cebu. We have a collision on board. We have a collision on board. We need immediately assistant. We need immediately assistant. This is only a drill. This is only a drill. Once again, this is MB Sara. This is MB Sara. Please acknowledge.
Count off.
1, 2, the last number, sir.
Captain, all crew are accounted for. The damage repair team is on standby.
Okay, damage repair team, please proceed to the starboard side. Damage of our vessel.
Okay team, let's go. Sir, we are now the starboard damage side of our vessel.
Okay, damage repair team, please repair the starboard damage.
Okay team, let's start. Sir, we are done.
Okay, please proceed to the master station for counting.
Okay team, let's go back. Count off.
1, 2, the last number, sir.
All crew are accounted for.
Okay, team, dismiss.